Hi, today we're going to be making some banana muffins. For a full list of the ingredients, please click on the link in the description below. Break the ripe bananas up into a mixing bowl and then, using either a fork or a potato masher, mash up the bananas until they're in a puree. Next, crack the eggs and whisk them until smooth. So next you're going to be combining all the wet ingredients together. Mix the mashed banana, vanilla extract, whisked eggs, melted butter and milk. Stir it all together until it is all well mixed. Now it's time to mix together the dry ingredients. So in a separate bowl, sift the flour, baking powder, bicarbonate of soda, sugar and cinnamon. Once they are all mixed together, make a well in the centre. Then mix the wet ingredients in with the dry ingredients. You only need to gently mix it together, taking care not to overmix it. Next, line a muffin tray with cases and fill them up, almost to the top. You should have enough mixture to make 12 muffins. Bake in an oven that has been preheated to 200 degrees Celsius, which is gas mark 6. And after 5 minutes, turn it down to 180 degrees Celsius, which is gas mark 4, for the remaining 15 to 20 minutes. The muffin should turn a lovely golden brown colour and have risen above the muffin case.